Good day, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Getting It Right with Tammy, your phonics and diction instructor. Today, we're going to learn about the letter sounds. Yes, the letter sounds. Let's learn. It's time to learn. Shall we? Yes, we shall. And what sound is this? The letter A, and it sounds ah, ah, ah. Great. Can you say that? Ah, ah. Good job. And the next letter, letter B, and it says B, B, B. Great job. And letter C, it says K, K, K. Great. And letter D, it says D, D, D. Good job. Of course, our letter E, it says eh, eh, eh. Great. And letter F, it says f. Good. Letter G, 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 G. And letter H. And of course, letter I, it says eh, eh, eh. Good. Letter J, it says D, D, D. Can you please jump up? Thank you. Okay, letter K, it says K, K, K. Just like the letter C, letter K says K, K. Kettle. Great. Letter L. Can I get a lollipop from you, please? Thank you. Letter M. And letter N. Of course, letter O. It says uh. Letter P. It says p, 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 p. Letter Q. It says qui, 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 qui. And of course, letter R. It says r. Can you run down the stairs, please? Thank you. Letter S. S, S. And of course, our letter T. Letter T. It says t, 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 t. The clock is ticking. Wait for no one. Letter U. It says uh. Up I go. Letter V. V, v. Letter W. W, w, w. Letter X. It says x, x, x. Xmas is on its way. Letter Y. It says y, y, y. Gets me that yellow dress. And letter Z or Z, it says z, z, z. Before we go, just like our custom, it's time to give you another interesting take home. Today, I know that woman in your house. You're gonna call her your cleaner, right? Oh no, you can do better. Okay, a woman who cleans as a profession or occupation is called what? A cha-lady. Can you say that? Cha-lady. Again, cha-lady. Again, cha-lady. Should we call her a cleaner again? No. Let's call her a cha-lady. The cha-lady cleans my home every week. The cha-lady cleans my home every week. Till we meet next week, I remain your phonics and diction instructor, Tammy. See you again. Bye.